Saan kayo bumibili ng load na yun? Sa tindahan. Siyempre, I'm hoping nung sumali kayo sa B-Mobile na kayo bumibili. Kung sasabihin nyo na bumibili kayo sa tindahan, that's really funny. You're in a loading business, tapos bumibili kayo sa tindahan. Now look, using the concept of incentivized consumerism, walang magbebenta ng load. Lahat, bibili lang ng load. Kaya lang, through the Biolex MyTurf program, kukuha ako ng kakilala kong 3 consumer of load. At sila, kukuha rin sila ng 3 kakilala nila. Whether that's a technopreneur or techno-user, basta yung naglo-load. Pabibili ko sila ng 300 pesos. Okay. I will ask them to buy 300 peso worth of load. And I will not ask them to sell. And if I'm on the top of that triangle, of that system, tandaan niyo yung 3 lang ko kilala ko. Kilala ko ba sila lahat? No. Kakilala ko lang yung 3 ko. Pero yung 3 sila nakakakilala nun, ako hindi na. And then, the same goes, paulit-ulit lang yung system. Kaya pagkausap niyo yung member niyo, o yung prospect niyo, sabihin niyo lang, simple eh. Do you have 3 friends? Kawawa naman kung wala kayong 3 kaibigan. Pabibili sila ng prepaid, yun lang gagawin nila pag-join dito. Of course, it's a different story when you talk about expanding your triangle, your network. That's the reason why it's important na you know how, you understand MyLX o yung technopreneur, how to invite people to become technopreneurs. Now, you buy, when everybody buys, as a person on top, I will earn 265,000 pesos every month that they will do it. But nobody's selling. Okay na ba yung 265,000? Pwede na ba yun? Para malungkot kayo sa 265,000. Nasanay kayo sa milyon. Nasanay kayo sa milyon. But 265,000 is really something to a lot of people. Kung monthly yan, dahil lang may bumibili, hindi ka nagbebenta, bumibili lang. That's really a fantastic opportunity. So ngayon, nag-iisip kayo, alam ko, maraming nakaupo, whether negosyante, successful or not, estudyante, nagtatrabaho sa opisina. Alam ko, kung isa kayo sa mga call center agent na maybe kumikita anywhere from 18,000 to maybe 50,000 pesos a month, na gumugugol kayo ng oras na pupuyan, palit-palit ng shift. Tapos ngayon, sisimulan nyo lang isang opportunity. Ang isang call center napakasimple at hindi kailangan pilitin. And that is to buy load that you usually use and start to create your own triangle or network of consumer. Imagine, every time na bibili lang sila ng 300, you will earn 265,000. Not only that, tingnan nyo nasa kabilang column. Once na i-announce na namin officially that you can buy Malayan Insurance, and you know how much the Malayan Insurance is? Insurance, alam nyo kung magkano bibig? Unofficially, yours. No, unofficially. Unofficially, i-announce ko lang sa inyo. Dalawa yung denomination na tinitingnan namin. 30 pesos and 100. For 30 pesos, you will have a coverage for 30 days. Pag sinabi namin coverage, anything na may mangyari, huwag naman sana, you will receive 30,000 pesos. No, not you, your family. So, for 30 pesos, 30 days coverage, and 30,000 pesos benefit, it is roughly 1 peso a day. Tama mo ba? Ako may tanong mo sa inyo lahat, and this is how I pitch the insurance product. Mahal niyo ba ang pamilya niyo? Yes! Nagsagot, Ms. Keko, ganun ba? Susunod na tanong, gaano niyo kamahal yung pamilya niyo? Yung iba kasagot, very max. Or sobra, sobrang mahal. Tama ba? Sobrang mahal ang pamilya? Yes. Sa sobrang pagmamahal, yung iba, dito ko bumili. Yung iba, hanggang sa panahon na wala na sila, gusto nila, nandun pa rin sila. Tama? And that's the belief of insurance. Pag wala ka na, it will take over to take care of your family. And insurance is an expression of love. Ang ganda na ba yung pitch na yan? Insurance is an expression of love. Imagine nyo kung sinasabi nyo sa akin, mahal na mahal nyo pamilya nyo, at sinabi nyo, sobra ho ba ang piso sa isang araw para magmahal ng pamilya? It's not, right? It's not. And for 30 pesos, every month, pwede mong protection na yung sarili mo, right? But look at the board. Kung meron kang 3 kaibigan na nagmamahal sa pamilya, ang bibili lang nila 30 pesos na insurance coverage. Gano'n mo ba kamura ang 30? 3 baso ng taho? Pwede. Ano pa may sasabi mo sa 30? Load. Load na pwedeng ubusin sa loob ng 10 araw. Correct? Ano pa? Ano pa ang 30 pesos sa inyo? Significance ng 30 pesos sa inyo. But with 30 pesos, think of this, ladies and gentlemen, through incentivized consumerism concept, bibili kayo ng 30 pesos na insurance to protect yourself, and you will only have to find 3 persons who will do the same thing. Pagkatapos may makakita ng 3, tapos na yun. But you will have to encourage the 3 to do the same thing na ginawa niya. 3 lang. At kapag sila lahat bumili ng 30 pesos, at kung lahat sila bumibili ng insurance coverage monthly, your earning is 88,000 pesos monthly. Saan nyo kukunin yung 88,000 monthly ngayon? Nagbenta ba kayo ng insurance? Hindi. That's because you're on top of your network of consumer. So pag pinag-usapan talaga natin ang opportunity, when we talk about opportunity, real opportunity, it's not about selling. Because admit it, we can sell ideas. We don't have to be selling products. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo, insurance at saka load. Wala pa yung ibang produkto. Wala. Okay, more. Signal television. So next time na magpipitch kayo, sasabihin nyo, gusto nyo ba habang nanonood sila ng TV, kumikita kayo? Which is true. Definitely true. Because Signal is already part of our program, right? And all we have to do is include Signal sa MyTurf. Yung load wallet nila, gagamitin nila para ipambayad ng prepaid television. Imagine mo kung ilang downline mo yung bibili ng insurance, gagamit ng load, manonood ng TV, bibili ng vitamin C, magsisipilyo. Ang daming produkto, di ba? And so, success in network marketing doesn't have to be about selling. Hindi na kailangan magbenta ngayon. Kasi kung talagang maganda ang produkto, bibilhin niya ng tao. Kung talagang ang produkto ay kailangan, bibilhin niya na hindi mo na kailangan ibenta. So, ang tinuturo ho namin sa B-Mobile ngayon, hindi tungkol sa pagbebenta. Ang tinuturo namin sa inyo, ay magtayo kayo ng sariling network of consumer. So people, when they use product, you earn. So to close this event, and I'm again very thankful sa inyong mga pagkakagayan. Or babalik ko kami dito. Masarap pala dito. Although this is not my first time. Let me just leave you with something I really thought about a while ago before I entered this room. The future is about self-empowerment. It's about helping yourself. It's not about helping other people. You help yourself. Ang bilis naman ng thank you, nandito pa. The future is about self-empowerment, and V-Mobile is well-positioned. Why? We have created the platform for you to create your network of consumer, not sellers. Although you can sell, you can retail, we're not stopping you from doing that. But remember, if you want to build wealth, then it's the network of consumer. So, since we are very well positioned using information and communication technology, that is what we will do in V-Mobile. So, gusto ko sabihin sa inyo, it's not about fun, there's more in V-Mobile. Thank you very much.